Start by searching for Esso Singapore on the App Store or Google Play. Download, install, and launch the Esso app. With it, you can redeem the rewards you love. Stay up to date with our latest offers and find Esso stations close to you. You'll now be prompted for your Esso Smiles card. Be sure to have it on hand. Don't have a Smiles card yet? Stop by any Esso station to pick one up. Tap on I have an Esso Smiles card. If you've already registered on the Esso Smiles website, log in now using the same login details. If you do not have an account, tap on Register Me. Enter your details and select Continue. Then complete the verification process. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password. Do remember to include one alphabet and one number. After successfully registering, you can complete your profile anytime by going to Account Information on the My Smiles tab. Opt in to continue receiving our latest updates and promotions. Click Save and you're all set. Now you have all the benefits of Esso Smiles at your fingertips.